What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG YouTube channel again. The big news of the last few days, the buzz has been that GasGas is going to offer the 700 in a Supermoto and Enduro format. So if you're not familiar with these bikes for some reason, KTM has their 690 Enduro R, their 690 SMC R, which is relatively the same motorcycle as the Husqvarna 701 Enduro, 701 Supermoto. Now, we all kind of figured, just like KTM has done with most of these models, they've offered a GasGas edition, and it had been a couple years, so we weren't sure if this was going to happen with the 690, but apparently it is. Yeah, guys, so motorcycle.com dropped this news a few days ago, and they were able to discover this because there's a format that KTM uses with their VIN numbers, and they had to submit their VIN numbers to the US last week. So it makes it pretty obvious, especially if there's a correlating model, what it's going to be. Now, we know that these models are going to be called the ES700, that being the Enduro version, and the SM700, that being the Supermoto. What we don't know for sure is the price. There's a few different listings from some dealers in Spain. We've seen right over 12,000, and then we've seen right around 12.5. So not sure which one's correct yet, but either one, the 12,000 price would be super nice, but I don't really see that happening. Now, I'm really excited about this for me because if you listen to me talk, you know I love the 690 Enduro. I think it's the ultimate dual sport. You get a bike that's capable of doing just about anything. For example, if you're a skilled rider and you know this bike well, you can set this bike up to survive some gnarly single track, or you can have a perfect around town dual sport that's capable of doing anything. But with just a few more bolt-ons, you can take this bike and make it into an adventure bike and travel around the world on it, no problem whatsoever. And you get the 690 engine has amazing longevity and low maintenance compared to a 500 EXC or more typical dirt bike motor. So it's my dream dual sport. I like to describe it as everything you ever wished your DR650 could be. It's like a DR650 that lost a lot of weight, gained a lot of power, and got good suspension. So you guys know I love my DR650, so I'm super excited about this this GasGas setup. Maybe hopefully it'll be a slightly more affordable way to grab a 690 Enduro or Supermoto. And I don't know if these images are correct or not, but if they are, it looks pretty sick. So we'll definitely keep you guys posted. Now, what's still a little blurry to me is if these are going to be 2022 or 2023 models. Seems a little late. The street 2022 models, were ordered a long time ago and have already, most have already arrived. So this may be its own special release, or it may be a 2023 model, which we wouldn't be seeing until next winter here in the US. But either way, excited for yet another cool dual sport. I hope they make a few little changes to it to make it its own kind of bike. I don't want just a red KTM or just a red Husky. We want some subtle changes to it to actually give you a reason to choose between the three. So all right, guys, that's all I got today. Thanks so much for watching. I try to bring you this news as quick as I can. Sorry I didn't get it to you sooner, but I have a video dropping on the new KTM 125 SX tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one.